Zoom shares were up more than 40% in the stock market trading session a day after it reported blowout second quarter earnings that easily topped analyst estimates. This shows a massive 370% growth year to date in 2020, while the S&P 500 has gone up by only 8.6%. Founded in 2011, Zoom Video Communication is headquartered in San Jose, California, with offices around the world. The company is traded on NASDAQ with ticker symbol ZM and is a leading provider of video-first unified communications. In this video, we'll review the top 3 reasons why Zoom stock has been skyrocketing recently. Reason 1. A blowout quarterly financial report. Zoom's revenue had blown it out of the park, showing a growth of over 355% year over year to reach $663.5 million, crushing Wall Street's estimates for revenue of only $500.5 million. What's more, the tech company posted profits of 92 cents per share versus 45 cents expected earnings per share. On an annual basis, revenue of Zoom has more than quadrupled from last year. Zoom's second quarter fiscal year 2021 financial report shows that the GAAP income from operations for the quarter was $188.1 million compared to $2.3 million in the second quarter of fiscal year 2020. Moreover, the GAAP net income attributable to common stocks for the quarter was $185.7 million or 63 cents per share compared to GAAP net income attributable to common stockholders of $5.5 million or 2 cents per share in the second quarter of the previous year. The company had a total cash equivalent, and marketable securities as of July 31, 2020 of $1.5 billion. Moreover, the net cash provided by operating activities was $401.3 million for the quarter compared to $31.2 million in the second quarter of fiscal year 2020. The free cash flow was $373.4 million compared to only $17.1 million in the second quarter of the previous year. Reason number 2, growing list of customers. As millions of people continue to rely on video conferencing amid the pandemic, Zoom is benefiting from it. Millions of people are using Zoom's video conferencing technology to communicate with friends, family, colleagues, students, and teachers during this time. And while the service is free for most users, hundreds of thousands of organizations are paying to access enhanced features. Zoom ended the quarter with more than 370,000 customers with more than 10 employees, representing a stunning year-over-year growth rate of 458%. Most recently, and in the second quarter of year 2020, Zoom added nearly 105,000 new customers, with new customer subscriptions delivering 81% of the revenue growth. What's more, Zoom customers have shown a willingness to pay up to access more of Zoom's services. In fact, Zoom's trailing 12 months net dollar expansion rate, which compares its current annual recurring revenue to that of the previous year, remained above 130% for the 9th straight quarter. Reason number 3, strong future earnings potential. Zoom is becoming more profitable as it scales its operations. In fact, its adjusted operating and net income both rose more than tenfold to $277 million and $274.8 million, respectively. Adjusted earnings per share, meanwhile, came in at 92 cents, which was well above Wall Street's estimates for EPS of only 45 cents. Even as the economy begins to reopen, many people will continue to work and learn from home. Zoom is helping to make this possible. Eric Yuan, founder and CEO of Zoom, indicated that organizations are shifting from addressing their immediate business continuity needs to supporting a future of working anywhere, learning anywhere, and connecting anywhere on Zoom's video-first platform. At Zoom, we strive to deliver a world-class, frictionless, and secure communication experience for our customers across locations, devices, and use cases. Zoom now expects revenue between $685 million and $690 million in the third quarter, and also raised its financial guidance for the full fiscal year to surge as much as 284% and reach $2.39 billion, as it takes into account growing demand for remote work solutions for businesses. A combination of these reasons has led to a new all-time high for the Zoom stock price in the stock market, as investors are excited to own shares of this outstanding company. I currently own shares of Zoom, and it is showing a return of 125%. Lastly, looking at my dividend and growth stock investing portfolio, it shows a growth of 1.6% compared to last week. This portfolio currently sits at just under $74,000 in value. Do you own shares of Zoom? What do you think of the future of Zoom stock? Let me know in the comment section down below. There you have it, folks. I hope you found this video beneficial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who would benefit from it. It really means a lot to us and helps grow the channel. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post videos about stock market investing and finances every single week. Hope to see you next time.